Excuse me, Mr. Dickens, I've got something on my mind. I've tried, but I can't seem to let it go. Lately I've been thinking about that little orphan boy whose parents died and left him alone. Then an outlaw came one fateful day while standing at his parents' grave and offered him another way to climb. And now I wonder, is that orphan story mine? All these great expectations meet these grave revelations. Am I the one in control? Is it all predetermined? Am I playing a role? Part of a story foretold.